where the Joker's funhouse is this time, while you can still talk.
Even if I did know, it wouldn't do you any good, Bat. He's probably already dead.
Then so are you.
Batman,
You should have let her hit the pavement.
you shouldn't have thrown her.
She slipped.
Aren't you wondering how I found you?
Thermal vision, cybernetic hearing, and total access to every camera on the grid. Who are you?
Bruce, wait! You have to remember, it's me. It's Barry. Barry Allen.
Bruce.
Bruce!
Bruce is dead. I watched him die. You have 9 more fingers. I suggest you tell me how you found out about me.
In my world, I'm a hero named The Flash. Bruce took me here, showed me.
I used to be a doctor. Mention my dead son again, and I will break out my surgical instruments.
He's the one who died that night in the alley. You're his father. You're Thomas Wayne.